Hello, Your Majesty, and welcome now to Tuesday. Sunny, settled, grounded, and a chance of feeling like you can trust the universe again. It starts with the Sun. We're in Chapter 3 of Sun in Scorpio. Venus is ruling the day. Venus means there will be a restoration of balance, peace, and order in your life. In your case, this comes from self-nurturing. Finally, you'll do something or something will happen to make you believe or make you restore your sense of harmony. Being grounded, being self-nurtured. The baby lion cub will feel babied, all right, by you, ideally. And it is by you. No matter what happens, even if you get good news that you get to move or that your roommate's moving out or whatever it is that was holding you back, you did it, you manifested it, and that's part of today's realization because that sun is trining Jupiter and Uranus retrograde in Pisces, and the moon is crossing those planets. So I argue, somewhere through the course of the day, you're going to feel a new innovation to how you can trust the world or not trust the world. It's going to innovate your trust. It's a new sense that you can trust yourself and therefore trust anything. All right? And what this is basically saying is all this time, Leo, the reason why you're having trouble with trust was largely due to the fact you simply weren't taking good care of yourself. Wonk, wonk, wonk. Yep, indeed. Now, Jupiter goes direct on Friday, which means as of next week, you will begin to see the repercussions of this fundamental understanding. Now that you trust yourself and you trust the world, there will be proof that you can. A lot of answers you've been waiting for, a lot of opportunity you've been hoping for, start to pour in as soon as next week. So this is really the turning point of this fall's karma. And Mercury and Mars are conjuncting in Sag, which means you're going to begin to start thinking, well, how does this affect my dreams? How does this affect my star potential? How does this affect what I really want in my heart? You're going to realize that now that you got your foundation down, you can trust the world, well then let's go for the gold, baby. And that's really what the Sun in Sag will be about here. Now, it's also Tuesday. We've got a new episode of Just Ask Us with Lauren Serafan and Angelo Eros. Lauren, our practical advice. Angelo, our genius intuitive. They're coming together to answer your questions on camera. They just did another shoot this weekend, so these are new episodes with new answers. So if you haven't gotten your answer yet, well, maybe you have, says the Monopoly guy. They are alive everywhere Soul Garden streams. Okay, Your Majesty, that's all I have for today. Tomorrow, you're just going to be spaced out. I don't think you can believe it. All that and more tomorrow. Live, love, be.
So